In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. Setting up form notification emails is an important step when managing a website because it helps you stay informed whenever visitors submit inquiries, contact requests, or important information through your forms. By properly configuring these settings, you can improve communication, respond faster to visitors, and make sure no valuable messages are missed. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire setup process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. Sign in to your account and navigate to the specific project where you want to configure your form submission notifications. Once you're inside your project dashboard, locate the Site Settings option and open it. This section contains all the important controls and configurations related to your website. After entering the Site Settings area, direct your attention to the left side menu where different categories and tools are listed. From there, click on Forms. This section is specifically designed for managing form behavior, submission settings, and notification preferences for your website. Before continuing, it's important to understand that some form customization features require an active Webflow hosting plan. If your project is not currently hosted through Webflow, certain notification settings may not be available. Make sure your hosting plan is active so all form-related options function properly. Once you're inside the Forms section, you'll see several customization fields that allow you to control how your form notifications are handled. Start by setting the sender name. This determines the name that appears as the sender whenever form submission emails arrive in your inbox. Choosing a clear and recognizable sender name can make your notifications look more professional and easier to identify. Next, locate the field labeled Send Form Submission To. This is where you'll enter the email address that should receive all incoming form notifications from your website. Be sure to type the email address carefully so important messages are delivered correctly. After that, move on to the subject line field. Customizing the subject line helps organize incoming emails more effectively by making them easier to recognize inside your inbox. Use a clear and descriptive subject title that reflects the purpose of the form submissions. You'll also see a Reply To address setting. This controls where replies will be directed if someone responds directly to the notification email. Make sure this address is accurate and accessible. Finally, review the Email Template section, where you can adjust the appearance and formatting of your notification emails. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it! Your Webflow site is now configured to send form submission notifications directly to your inbox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.